Alright, so to counter this, guys, here's what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to take this off, put a known seal on it. I have a seal because I really think this tank is leaking, and I don't want to have to call the customer back. So guys, this is one of those things where you just have to bite the bullet and fix something, especially if it's easy to do. I'm going to go ahead and simulate a repair. What I'm going to do is take this off, put a known good O-ring on it, and retest it. If this stopped and the system hold, then yes, this was my problem. Okay, if this stopped leaking from here and it shows leak at the tank, then yes, I have problems at the tank. But I don't want to have to call the customer back. We fixed that, now we found this. I try to avoid double calling. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take it off, and let's get this off, guys. This is fairly easy. If this was hard, I wouldn't go this route, but this is so easy to do, and I have a extra known good seal. I probably should turn the pump off, but let me get this out. Yes. Let me where is the seal? Oh yeah, it's still on here. Well, that's a lot of steam. All right, so what I'm gonna do, hey, oh, what's this double seal? Oh my goodness, look at this. Somebody put RTV on here? Guys, this very well could be the problem. Alright, let me turn my machine off and get a known good seal and try to reseal this. Alright, hold tight. Alright guys, here goes what I took off. I don't know what this is all about, but here goes one of my known good seals. So I'm going to put this on and rerun the test. Alright, let's get it. Alright, I got the old Easton back on with a new seal. Let me turn the machine back on and see what happened. Alright, did the ball even attempt to drop? Now if I still got a leak in that area, guys, yes, we could assume the complete Easton body is at fault, as well as the sealing. Well, let's see how my ball do. If my ball drop, it's simple. I do not have an evap leak. If my ball tend to hover around the leak area, I still have an evap leak. Now, if it's not in that area again, oh, I can see, guys. I'm looking up there. I am looking up there. Let's take a look. Okay, guys. I'm gonna have to go with the Easton body. I'm still having leak in the same area, guys. This body of this Easton is just old and beat up and cracked, but I'm still not sure, guys. It takes a lot to convince me. Y'all know what? Simply because I have a spare Easton, I'm gonna take this a step farther. I just do not, hear me out, guys. I just do not want to be caught between one of those traps where you will need something else. I literally think my problem is there. But, and guys, also keep in mind what I'm doing or what I'm verifying is easy. Everything is right here, and if it was hard, yeah, I'd give you some slack. I'd say sell it and go from there. But it's your image, guys. I'm trying to protect my image. So let me find one of my, let me see what I got down here. I don't keep these unless these are good. Which begs the question, why did you replace it, JT? All right, it could be a number of reasons. Guys like to do these in pairs. If they have a problem with purge, they would go ahead and replace the Easton. So guys, I'm gonna stick this on here and rerun this test again. All right, hold tight. Oh, let me turn my machine off. All right, so I have a spare Easton that I keep for testing, guys. Remember I told you? Ooh, this seal is not really thick. All right, let me try this. Put this on here the exact same way. Turn it, click. Put my hose on here. All right, here we go again, guys. Let's get it. All right, what's gonna happen now? I got the camera on the machine, but I am physically looking upwards at the Easton to see if I see any smoke. And you know what? I do not see any smoke in that area. And this ball is dropping fairly quickly, guys. So you know what that tells me? That ball hit the bottom, guys. The body of this ESIM, here's the old one right here. This body is just leaking it. Look at that ball. It's headed to the bottom, guys. This was my repair, or this was my problem. Now I can write this estimate up in confidence. Okay, not concerned about, oh my God, I hope it's nothing else. Yes, so I will need an ESIM and a new O-ring, guys. O-ring alone is not the problem. That's why it's highly recommended if you got leaks at the ESIM area to go ahead and replace the ESIM and the O-ring. But I'm not convinced. I need this ball to drop all the way to the bottom. Alright, I'm gonna give it about 2 minutes, guys. It's fighting right now, so I don't want to keep y'all waiting or keep y'all tied up, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back, what, 2-3 minutes later. Let's see where we're at. Hey guys, y'all see that? The ball is at the bottom. Alright. The ball is at the bottom. Here's that bad ESIM and that ridiculous sealing O-ring job over there on that battery. But this is my goal. This is what I wanted to see. And the system is still on, so it's pressurizing the complete system. Now, that gives me relief as far as this not being a problem. So now I can rest assured that I will not have to call the customer back. All right, so that's where we're at, guys. I like it like that. I can confidently say that is my problem based off my testing that you guys witnessed. Okay, so if you're having small evap leak problems, remember that old one, all that steam was coming out of it. All right guys, let me write this estimate up, and y'all can see how to do it. I mean, I just removed it and replaced it, but so there's no need for me to open this video back up. So I'm gonna write up a ESIM O-ring, and I'm gonna check the car over some more. We are required to check the cars over. Guys, this is a Pacifica, and I see a drive shaft coming back here. Y'all know what that means? And a differential, y'all know what that means. Pacifica is this model front wheel drive, right? That means that, guys, that this is an all-wheel drive Pacifica. Yes, there's a PTU right there. Ooh, I bet these are ridiculous. Oh, somebody just did suspension work, so they invested in keeping it fixed or getting it run. I did see some oil leaks back there, all up there. So I have to, guys. I have to write all this up. This is kind of dangerous. Y'all see this? All right, that's the O2 sensors. Y'all see this? This is the O2 hole. Is it just riding on the freaking drive shaft? Man, that's gonna chew into that hose, and I'll try to reroute that. But and guys, this is a 3.5, so it has a timing belt on it. All right, depending on the mileage, I will recommend a timing belt. 62 TE transmission. You can do a service on these. Okay, you drop the pan. There's a filter right there. That service recommended every 60,000 miles. I'm not sure how many miles on this car, but I will find out. So other than that, guys, that's all I have. I'm gonna write this estimate up, and I'll see y'all in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.